Okay, so here was the problem. This is my ATO little 10-gallon tank. I feed it from downstairs with that little tube, and I left it on manually, and it leaked out the bottom here and onto the carpet all over here. When I checked it, there was nothing here underneath the sump, but over here it had gone down. Those pipes that go into the basement right there, it had gone down and dripped underneath. So I took this board out just to see what was underneath here, and I found that there was nothing. There's no leak. This is all dry carpet, even over to there. So I think it went against the back wall and went down those pipes. So now the question is whether or not I actually take the boards out underneath the ATO, because there is a small hole back there in the stand I built. You see it in the very back, right there, that actually would allow the water to go down, and then at the back. Otherwise, this is all sealed. I tried to seal everything when I made it. So if you have any thoughts on how to make sure that gets dried out, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.